Good evening, folks. Mark Wilson here in the Fan Cave. It is 11 p.m. on Friday, May 19th, 2023. And I have this hunter here that a friend gave me. Unfortunately, it takes a little effort to pull a chain, but it requires two night lights for the bulbs, or little candelabra bulbs. And I do not have any of those at the moment, so I'll have to run it sans light kit. Okay, so this one here is the fast speed. Got the sequence a little messed up. Medium. Low. Okay, I guess the sequence is a little messed up on there. I guess it goes from like medium low to off. I don't know, medium low, high and off, but it's definitely on low now. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you folks for watching. Please do stay tuned for more fan videos. If you could like and subscribe to my channel called The Fan Cave, I would be greatly appreciative. Alright, stay tuned for more fan videos. Good night and good luck.